How are you, my dear students? I hope you all are safe and sound. I am also fine. In my today's class, you all are welcome. I am Tarana Akhtar, assistant teacher, Pallavi MI Model High School. Dear students, before starting today's class, at first you see these pictures. The first picture is on Kantajir Mandir, which is situated at Dinajpur, and the second picture is on Shatgambuz Mosque, and the third picture is about Asan Manjil, and the fourth picture is about Lal Bagh Fort, which is situated at Old Dhaka. These all are our historical places. Now you see this picture. Can you tell me what is the name of this historical place? Okay, I am telling you. This picture is about the Somapura Moha Bihar, which is called in Bangla Sompur Mohabihar. This is a historical place of our country. Our today's class is about this historical place. Our today's lesson's name is the Sompura Mohabihar Unit 8, Lesson 2. My dear students, after completing the lesson, you will be able to read and understand text through silent reading. And then you will be able to ask and answer questions and choose the best answer. And finally, you will be able to describe a place. Let us know the meaning of some difficult words from this text. The first one is archaeological. It means the scientific study of material remains of past human life and activities. Then extensive. The word extensive means large. Excavate. Excavate means dig out. Plain. Plain means smooth. Prevent. Prevent means obstruct. Satisfy means please. Discover means explore. Ruin means destruction. Build means construct. And attention means concentration. Now, this is the time to read out the text. I will read the text. You will read the text carefully to understand the meaning of the text. You will also read with me, but you will read out silently. Let us start reading. Paharpur is an important archaeological site in a village named Paharpur in Nauga district of northern Bangladesh. Nauga is mainly plain land, but in the middle of it stood a hill covered with jungle. Pahar means hill, hence is the name Paharpur. The Paharpur site has been excavated and re-excavated a number of times by archaeologists. Sir Alexander visited the place in 1879. Cunningham intended to carry out an extensive but was prevented by the landowner. In 1925-26, R.D. Banerjee excavated the northern part of the central mound. From 1026 to 27 onward, excavation was carried out under the supervision of K. Keith. You see the pictures of these two personalities. Systematic and regular excavation started jointly by Archaeological Survey of India and Virendra Research Society of Rajshahi and Kolkata University in 1923. They excavated the northern part of the monastery. Shampura Mahavihara was one of the most famous Buddhist institutions for monks of ancient Bengal and southern Asia. You see, this is the picture of Pala King Dharmapala. The excavated complex at Paharpur has been identified as Somapura Mahavira, built by the second Pala King Dharmapala. The Pala rulers were devout Buddhists and they founded a number of monasteries throughout their growing empire. So this is all about today's text. Dear students, actually Shampura Mahavira is the largest single Buddhist monastery in the Indian subcontinent, and it was declared a World Heritage Site in 1985. It is also one of the most important archaeological sites in our country. Now I will give you some activities from the text. The first one is matching. You see there are some words here. You have to match the meaning with the words. The first one is archaeological, then excavate, lofty, extensive, systematic, devout, and the meanings are given. You try to match the meaning with the words. I hope you have tried. Now you check the answer with the meanings. Archaeological means ancient cultural remains. Excavate, uncover something with difficulty. Lofty means grand, extensive, widespread. Systematic, done methodically, and devout means pious. Now you read the text in again and choose the best answer. The first one is Paharpur is option A, a typical Bangladeshi village. Option 2, an extraordinary village. Option 3, a very small village. Option 4, a village on top of a mountain. Now you try yourself and I am also giving you the answer. The answer will be a typical Bangladeshi village. Then second number. The word Pahar denotes option 1 land, 2 hill, 3 jungle and 4 desert. Dear students, the answer will be hill. Then 3 number. How many phases of excavation of Paharpur has been mentioned in the text? Option 1 4, 2 5, 3 6, 4 7. The answer will be 6. Then 4 number. What thing indicates that the site was built by the second Pala king? Option A, earthen seals, B, ceramic seals, C, stone seals and D, iron seals. The answer will be A, earthen seals. Then 5 number. Which of the following statement is true about the Pal kings? Option A, the Pal kings were Hindus by religion. B, the Pal kings were Buddhist by religion. C, the Pal kings were Muslims by religion. D, the Pal kings were Christians by religion. The students, the answer will be B, because the Pal kings were Buddhist by religion. Question number 6, the word benefactors mean. What does it mean? Option A, banks. B, famous businessman. C, people with money. D, financial supporters. The answer will be B, because benefactors means famous businessman. Now dear students, there is a fill in the gap for you. You read the passage very carefully and use suitable words to fill the blanks. Paharpur, a significant archaeological site, is to be dashed in a village known as Paharpur in Naugaon district of northern Bangladesh. Is mainly plain land. A hill covered with jungle stood in the middle of it. At the time of clearing jungle and excavating the hill, a lofty ruin of an ancient temple emerged there. The temple has a dash of about 24 meters from the surrounding plainland. Par means hill, hence is the name Paharpur. The Parpur site has been excavated and re-excavated dash times by archaeologists. Though Cunningham had the intention to carry out an extensive excavation, he was not dashed by the landowner. Nevertheless, he was satisfied with whatever excavation he was permitted to carry on. Now, dear students, you see what will be the suitable words for the blanks. The first one will be seen, then be though, see height, d many, e permitted. You can use similar words for the blanks also. Now this is the time to take your homework. Dear students, you see I have given some questions here. You have to try to answer the questions by reading the text very attentively, and you have to use your own words. The first question is, where is Parpur located? Then what is it famous for? Then which department brought the site under further excavation after independence? Then what did Cunningham find when he was digging the Parpur site? And the last one is, what did expeditions reveal? You will be very careful to use tense when you answer the questions. So my dear students, this is all about my today's class. Thank you all for joining me. Allah Hafiz.